Hey everyone, today we're learning 5 super important verbs that Germans use every single day. Before we start day 4, let's do a quick review of the 5 words we learned in day 3.
Ich, du, sie, wir.
Let's begin day 4.
Sein.
First, let's learn this verb, which means to be. We use this verb to talk about who someone is, what something is, a person's condition or feelings, age, nationality, profession, or location. Simple rule to remember: use this verb whenever you would use am, is, or are in English. Present tense.
Ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind.
Examples.
Ich bin glücklich.
I am happy.
Ich bin müde.
I am tired.
Du bist hier.
You are here.
Ist nett.
He is nice.
Haben.
This verb is used when you want to say that someone has, owns, possesses, or experiences something. Easy rule to remember: use this verb whenever you want to say, I have, you have, we have. Present tense.
Ich habe, du hast, sie, es hat. Wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben.
Examples.
Ich habe ein Auto.
I have a car.
Ich habe Hunger.
I am hungry. Literally, I have hunger.
Wir haben Zeit.
We have time.
Sie hat viele Freunde.
She has many friends.
Werden.
Means to become, or to get, when something changes from one state to another. You use it to describe changes, such as becoming happy, getting tired, or the weather changing. A simple way to remember: become equals change into something new. Present tense.
Ich werde, du wirst, sie, es wird. Wir werden, ihr werdet, sie werden.
Examples.
Ich werde Arzt.
I became a doctor. I changed from being a student to a doctor.
Es wird kalt.
It is becoming cold. The weather is changing and getting colder.
Ich werde müde.
I am becoming tired. I changed from not being tired to tired.
Können.
Means can, or to be able to. We use it to talk about ability, skills, or possibility. If you want to say that you can do something, this is the verb you need. A simple way to remember that whenever you want to say can in English, you usually use this verb in German. Present tense.
Ich kann, du kannst, sie, es kann. Wir können, ihr könnt, sie können.
Examples.
Ich kann Deutsch sprechen.
I can speak German.
Kannst du schwimmen?
Can you swim?
Du kannst tanzen.
You can dance.
Ich kann helfen.
I can help.
Machen.
Means to do or to make, and it's one of the most common verbs in German. We use it when talking about doing an activity, completing a task, creating something, or asking what someone is doing. In English, make and do are 2 separate verbs, but in German, both are usually expressed with just one verb, machen. Present tense.
Ich mache, du machst, sie, es macht. Wir machen, ihr macht, sie machen.
Examples.
Ich mache meine Hausaufgaben.
I do my homework.
Was machst du heute?
What are you doing today?
Ich mache einen Kuchen.
I make a cake.
Sie macht Kaffee.
She makes coffee. Quick review.
Sein.
To be.
Haben.
To have.
Werden.
To become.
Können.
Can.
Machen.
To do, make. Challenge for today: write these 5 sentences in German. I am tired. I am hungry. It is getting late. I can help. I exercise. See you soon for day 5. Bye.